In this video, I am going to show you how to view the balance sheet in Wave. Start by opening your Wave dashboard and locating the left-hand side menu. Scroll down to the Reports option and click on it. Among the available reports, select Balance Sheet to view your current financial position. Unlike the Profit and Loss report, the balance sheet reflects your financial situation at a specific point in time rather than over a period. The balance sheet typically consists of three main sections. The first section shows your current balance across all accounts. The second section displays potential money owed to you or payments you expect to receive soon. The third section lists your liabilities, including bills or amounts you need to pay. Liabilities are subtracted from the total of current and potential balances, providing a clear view of your usable funds. Scrolling down, you will also find a summary of your assets, liabilities, and equity. By clicking on Details, you can view an extended version showing each account's balance, as well as individual liabilities such as payable bills. The balance sheet calculates your net usable balance by accounting for liabilities, giving you an accurate picture of your financial standing. To save the report, click Export at the top right and select either CSV or PDF. The report will then download to your device for record keeping or further analysis. And this is how you can view the balance sheet in Wave.